be what working. I mean, I we bought phone. They couldn't know. They carry 10 million, 6 million. You receive a call. What we team and we move. We couldn't. Wala baba nuwa. So you why you done la baba.
Just so my people, now see this audio where I play some. Now this small boy, what they call MC Mocking Face. Who is in an MC where they do live video sometimes. This social media. Now the way to scam people with that one. You understand? For those of you now where they always fall for a trap, wanna be careful. You understand? Now in the right for yes so. And I call just now. They insult me. Not the reason why they insult me. Because you don't do many of the day where they play come, I know they answer them. Because I don't do big pass, I don't do smart. Where you with the on Google they scam. You understand?
Hi guys, it's your girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Turn up the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be alerted. But guys, don't forget to share the video. I bring out what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers, and for those that do support me, I want to say may the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
Yes, so my people, good to know better style. What right there? Yeah, this is Frank Victor, the umenwantv, aka the social media kubana, the social media kututu no why. The social media bomo. I just do my drink. How are you? Yes. Why are right there? Please share this video. You don't know what guy. Yeah, video now. We're going to bring solution to this problem between Esther Edokbayi, JJ Barry, and say Esther Edokbayi, 24-bit, JJ Barry, Destiny Bagua, Akoberian, and the Benin actors and actresses. The solution is right here. And the solution, we are going to bring it right now. First of all, I want to say congratulations to all the Umenwantv fans, all the Umenwantv talk show, all the global talk show, all over the world, worldwide, world. When I clap on ourselves first, we move. Another reason why this is a new year, we are going higher. Yes, we are going higher. So right now, if you are living in Benin, you are in Benin, you want to know more about Umenwantv talk show, what we are up to, you want to know what we are up to on this social media platform. You can go and you are going to Bendel newspaper, Bendel daily newspaper in Benin. You can get whatever you needed there about Umenwantv talk show. All the information that you needed, you can get it there. For those of you that doesn't know me, you can go there. You can get everything right there. We are in Bendel newspaper in Edo State, all over. So you can get our newspaper right there. You understand? We are soaring higher like an eagle. You don't feel me, so just be, you know. Maybe you make noise here. So this is the newspaper of today for today. You understand? So you can get this newspaper right there in Benin. It's just cost 200 naira. Yeah, 200 naira to get this paper in Benin. You understand? So you can go down to page 9. You can see all the details you want to hear about Umenwantv talk show in page 9 on this daily newspaper. You understand? So this Bendel Times newspaper, they also do all kind of adverts, burial arrangement, whatever, your birthday, your marriage celebration. They're also into photography too. So whatever you wanted to do for you in Benin, you can contact them. You can see their address there. You can see their phone number there. Hello. I greet you. Yeah, I did live video. Yeah, go now. Don't know go now. Don't know what's anyway. Huh? Kelly. Yeah, true now. We live video now. You made a live video. I meant to we live video now. Okay, yeah, true now. Okay, no problem later. Yeah, man, let's go there. You can contact them. On a vessel. Let me just do one of those things. Let me share myself out. Plus, share this video. Let's hit it down the way it is. Yes. I greet all of you on better style. I want to share this video before I start the talk. And I want to also talk to all the live video presenter too. You understand? You see, Destiny, Akoberian, Esther, Dokbai, all this their problem, don't they too much. You understand? Between the music industry and the moving industry. So the problem we get for that Benin and these people. And the funniest part we see, where our people refuse to understand, JJ Barry and 24 Bits. Now they be the sponsor of all these people. You understand? So whenever this quarrel they come, now what be the fans? Now they get this issue, and then they get the fights. And now they get the fights. They fight on themselves, they insult themselves. Yesterday, if you go to comment section, you'll see Akoberian fans go they insult Esther fans. Esther fans go they insult Akoberian fans. But so they patronize them. Now the same one now they patronize them for this same abroad. For the now, Muna never call. Okay, maybe this one Nigeria call. Hello? Good evening. Who they talk? Who they talk? You will mention your name now. MC Mokifis. I'm not block you. MC Mokifis. I've been an MC Mokifis. I've been what you call yourself. MC Moki. I've been a monkey official. Not totally because they're hungry. You understand? You see money to buy cards. Take the call. You don't see money to buy. You understand? Oh, woman say, oh, when are we on the? Before I will talk, I will first play your video first. Before I will talk. NC Monkey now you call yourself, or Binancy Tortoise now you call yourself. Before I will fire you. It is a wait to
a leader with a difference. Or top of my don't want support us. Or top MC happiness of one. Or top there, no love about no so where you down and one might give me if I said not in every dear. I know you make money, making me a phone, give it a semi, a message you are. ina onula baba no so where you down da ya ho yan e travel ni na wala baba ya pari ngana ni awi ke mo pa wa ya veti yan ti mo ko ime yan wala baba wala wo wa so bi wa ye down la baba la o iwa yan me awo yo ma le o yan gun me mu we o ma wa ni mu ku me wa ni we yo bo me I said we ya post a picture me a page you wabi mo boy na MC ben onu mi na no be la mo po ben onu mi na ni ya ni card vat na o ki mi MC ben onu na be ya iti be we page umenwa talk show you know many things like that that thing with this man papa with this man that area wa ya tare you bon wa women the one wa la wo nu wa ji so bi wa ji tan ite we ni ya do le yin ya lo mi go ni ata mi me egbe wa wo gan me na wa we button phone e kere no ni carry te iri si mi yo ni ya re si be ko wa be ti me ya ni mu me bi ku nu wala baba nu wa so wa ye tan me la baba.
Just so my people, now see this audio where I play so. Now this small boy, what they call MC Mocking Face. Who is in an MC where they do live video sometimes. This social media. Now the way to scam people be that one. You understand? For those of you now where they always fall for in trap, wanna be careful. You understand? Now in the right for yes so. And I call just now. They insult me. Not the reason why they insult me. Because you don't do many of the day where they play come, I know they answer them. Because I don't do big pass, I don't do smart. Where you with them on Google they scam. You understand? But I be know why they expose them. I be know why I expose them when you see because now still small boy they street they also they find one or two things they find daily bread on how you fit eat. You understand? So those kind of person we just let them be me just try to follow up. You understand? One try belong me so they get small they follow up. That's the reason why I don't want bust in your own code all this way when they do all this rubbish. When they call people, they talk, they pretend say when he's saying lost phone, police armed robber block now they come for parties since last year. Since last year, now armed robber block now. Sometimes if you they talk lie, you go know say somebody they will be say you they talk lie to. You go again the kind of people where they talk lie to you know catch you for your lie. You understand? Armed robber block now for road, now go they go rob now, they collect your phone, they collect your money. You understand? Now person phone now you just see the use for the past how many months. That's a person phone now you they buy data. That's a person phone now you log in your Facebook with the charts. That's a person phone they comment both day and night. They follow people platform. That's a person phone. Now the person want travel, you need money. Even though you don't need money to buy small pin phone, but you feel they see phone, Android phone, wait till they enter Facebook, wait till they enter people platform, they comment all this while. You understand? So I don't say they not dash you money, bro. You understand? I don't say you see the street, they also. You understand? As you also you keep your mouth shut. You dey use eye, they look me for get sense. You understand? You dey use eye, they look me for get sense. You dey feel me? If you want rain, you go gather sense. Now sense, now person the rain. You understand? No you thief, till rain. No you scam, where they will quick catch you, till rain. If you dey hungry, people go give you food, make you chop. Your own person wey dey squad, you say they go work, you know they work. Lebu cannot dey Benin. They don't do Lebu for Benin. They don't do service for Benin. Service now about service now. Service now they don't collect 2K, 2,000 euro, 2,000 naira for service or 2,500 for service. Your mate they will do double day. Your mate they will do double day. Most you they do MC. You know they learn work. Your mate they do furniture. Your mate they do mechanic. Your mate they do bricklayer. This bricklayer they do one. If you work as if you be bricklayer, they work double day at 10K be that one for a day. So bricklayer they work 5K, 2,500, 3K, 3,500. You feel me? So you knock double day as a young guy with get strength. You knock double day, you don't collect 10K for pockets. Do one for a week like that. You buy bread and a rubber. Maybe you spend 500 naira for flex for sites. At least you get 9,500 carry go house. Calculator for a week. You know how much you go enter your pocket. You get money past governor with the office. How much governor they collect a day as daily payments? If not, based on embezzlement. People where they jam there, you get money past them. How much you say they pay for an hour when they say they work for Europe? People when they work for Italy, and they collect 6 euro per hour for farm work. Farm work, 6 euro. Now they collect for an hour. I go see chop for I go feed myself. You dey feel me so? Le bouquet and work will be saying you fit do, you use a hammer. Many of our boys will do and build house today with le bouquet work. For community, lawyer for men for community. Anywhere where they call that community, they will call you. Let me see, you want job, come on, you want do MC, you want belong by fire by force. All those MCs where they see so, MC Twinkle, MC this one, go ask them how they start. They fair run le bouquet work. Go to day school. When they are cheap, they go school. Then they run things. Then they go le bouquet work for school there. Go at Capital, you'll see boys for sites. We'll be seeing students. They will come work in the morning. They get lecture in the evening. You dey feel me so? Everything are brain and determination. MC Monkey Face, I have to talk to you first. Start to beg, they follow social media. Baba share. All the chair what they do, no level. Go hustle. That's what makes you a man. And so you go check, take marry woman for us. As you do now, you get girlfriend. And so you want to beg, come to feed yourself, feed your girlfriend. Go work. Even though Papa man of the now these children, Papa man of they take care of them again. All men they enter street, they take care of themselves. They hustle for themselves. So enter street when you go hustle. 100 blocks a day, you pack on. You message mate, 12 a pound for one bag. You miss on. Before you know what they happen. 3 hours, break like not close. One day don't finish. If you still get straight, you still work. If you want to do another day, we'll do double day. If the man say, okay, you are fired down. And so many, I don't do all those things pass. Why on one winner? Why also when you wear zero? We are here, we have a minute, what can you do? Why beg you the social media? Go walk. Stop the come by lie. You dey hear me so? Now advice as me I give you. I don't want to insult you because you be small pikin, you see the hustle. We are get many junior one like you for us. You dey feel me? I'm MC. Me better ya MC. Wame agbo wa. Woman make na ya we marriage wame agbo wa. We me we le bouquet. Ina MC. Ina we cameraman. Even store electrician store. Even store electrician store. We goodwill. You understand? Ina we cameraman na ya studio buy waste the center na you apply body at the market eh. Only me one. A customer na re ya like sites. Yeah, hustle. Which community don't go hustle? Either if you're back by oh no man de yo na de yo, no man de yo na de yo. E plan e man de yo plan B de yo. E de man na go egbo evon. We also bobo we be on ro go. You want obo. I thought we na ya anku go. Imagine for one day the color ebo la bros la how we but no. Me hustle ni na e mo teme la we bu. Tell me ultimate no kono ga stake me. Odo we win na na or when we away your bros we like we hella obo you now in okay no matter. You dey feel me so? Go and hustle my brother. No me say that tell you say your life no is life easy now the way you take tighten now on your own way go easy for you. You dey feel me so? Nothing way they hard. Your life now you book and say I know. No na well. I cannot be giving you fish. I need to teach you how to fish. My family will work. I get brothers and sisters back home. Yeah, disturb me. We are disturbing me. My book baro gia so gia you work with me. They go with you. You wake me up with different calls. Every time they tell you, you know they learn. Then they call my platform. They call it talk say, now you they cause trouble for social media. Like, are you serious? Why do I call it platform? They will have a cause a problem in social media. So my people are great now better style. Now, this problem between Akoberian and Esther and Destiny. The solution now I want to turn us so. And I go see customer for our presenters. We need to talk about these things. You know the reason why? Esther a UK or a Europe, a Germany man. He made peace with, he settled a Murphy and Inogi. That's the godfather and the goddaughter. He made that peace. It was very unique and everybody was happy. Majority of us consider the talk, see. Well, why is so why I settled with Akoberian? When we settle, when I cook or eating, when I cook around money here do. Good. Now, a lot of presenters now want to use on to do saga. My brother, my sister, why just left me wanting no need of saga. Now the peace now we need. And where the peace go for comp now one turn. So that be these two person we are riding in the for say for here. JJ Barry and 24 bits. 24 bits with JJ Barry. Or can make a peace between Esther, Akoberian, and Destiny. And Ehan. To be prescribed. Ehan say ho. Now, when I watch this video, I want to give you a so. I will play many videos.
Yes. Yes. Carry on. You have to know some more. Okay, now. We are getting ready. Not the street. Not the street. Not the street.
I'm sleeped. I think I'll buy sleep.
Sleeped. Oh, I said it's a lot. Also, no, it's a lot.
I'm sleeped. Sleep relaxation. Hi. Obana.
Oh,
hello. The great people, the great nation, the great people of Igodomi.
Greatest call to join.
Don't ever, I love you all. So, I say Nadane, that is, we are almost at the junction right now. So, from 4 o'clock, the game will begin. I say Nadane, oh, oh, I say Nadane, oh, oh, ego gene, oh, oh, igaso boy you gay, oh, oh, alati oti oh I got oh na mistake na chorus
it's a lot oh
me when you won bo
oh
aso boy gbe
oh
I love you.
We love you.
We see you there.
4 p.m.
Yes. Give the address where not be a papa. Give the address.
108 New Cross Road, All Saints Community Center, Southeast London.
Okay, Southeast London.
Southeast London.
Okay, I thought.
Oh, 105 New Cross Road. 105 New Cross Road, Southeast London.
Akpapava.
Trying to be there on time.
Akpapava. Central Hotel.
Okay. I go street. Anyone is allowed.
Yes.
Close to easyable joint.
No, sir, what have you got to say?
Yeah, I'll be right there to support. No problem. 4 p.m. today, we're shutting down that place, guy. 105, Ali?
Yes, no.
Yes, we're there, community center.
Yeah, don't tell me, huh?
You don't tell me again.
Yes.
Okay, Marewa, 4 p.m. No problem, man. No problem.
We love you.
Susan Gold. We are in London, not in Nigeria. It's happening live in London, not in Nigeria.
This is not Nigeria.
It's happening live in London.
This is not Nigeria.
I'm just in London.
Akobeno swag live direct in London.
Yes,
to catch you.
Yes, so
Close to Mama Charlie. Hey.
we're here. Turn up.
Una not special. I'll see Buhari tomorrow.
You dey carry am come back, sir. I don't tell you say we dey bring Buhari.
You're going to take pictures, sir.
Yes, sir.
Una not special.
Just so my people are greeting with love. This video when I see so now 2017. And I do this video where I could become UK, where 24 bit. On the JJ Barry carry I could become UK. 9 days. You understand? So we'll watch the one where we see they go viral now we see they bring problem, calamities they come. You understand? You not just listen to that one. Someone get what's now and let's now understand.
Okay, now your head just straight. I went so the match of my home fly now where or you my way that for money.
Not 24 big family.
At all. We are
Not
very
24
strict.
big family, yeah.
Tony Wabe tied and have the plan there. Like our plan.
24 bit hour.
God bless you. Now see waiting this 24-bit wife talk here. Many people know they listen to this waiting this 24-bit wife talk. Now they are what they listen. Or when they tell you wabe gualo. Only way I lie, what plan here. You understand? The woman explain, but they know they do that one. They know they carry the good, they know they can't leave them for dead, they know they come back again. Or only do only how but do not be need on me. Plan here. You understand? Now, the first video we have to play. Now the one will be say JJ Barry carry Akobe go London. And now this 24 bits and JJ Barry, the two of them, and they carry these actors and actresses, they come UK. We be see our Benin in the diaspora and we did the UK, they promote those people, they support those people, they buy gift, they take them out for shopping, they do one or two things, you understand, just to make them happy, see they come UK, you understand, they enjoy their trip to UK, which is fine. And so we say one may be between with their dues, you understand, that love and that unity, which we wish to get. Now, the funniest part between, do you know now, say, this quarter they grand, now this same two person, 24-bit and JJ Barry, now they go solve this problem. Okay, we come on, they get and play. 24-bit and JJ Barry, they begin now. And so much happy say this quarter will come out again now. When the two of them just land Benin, the two of them they Benin, 24-bit and JJ Barry, when I send them this message, when they get this message, the two of them they Benin now. These actors and actresses with the quarter so. Whether they carry the con UK, that jealousy, and they cause all this quarter so make 24-bit and JJ Barry call these people to order and settle them before now come UK. Before now come UK, or else this show when I do so, that be the last show. We go get head because I can now do any show again. Now bring those people come and I'm not settle them. They're not go see I do show, not be joke and not be threat, and the reality. Now just the truth be that one. Now just the real facts be that one because we not feel they bring people where we say that they quarrel. They not get joy for themselves. They not get love. They not get unity. They carry they come Europe, call it the deceiver for Europe. Come to the deceiver for Europe say it is where just want to make money from our pockets. And then when I come and go, they promote Edo to the world. How Edo they go to the world? The people where they bring come and they come to take Edo to the world, then they quarrel. They don't get love. They don't get peace. This one are just sound warning. In short, not be warning. Sorry to say, not be warning. Now advice to 24-bit and JJ Barry. I don't want to play many videos because now women they do all those things. When they showed video, all those videos, what they do. What the one they cook for backyard, what the one they cook for kitchen. You understand? But the real fact, I just want to use this thing. This one where I show so now the one way JJ Barry if I bring Akobegi and come UK. You understand? And this one will be say 24-bit never carry Akobegi and go UK now. He never carry Akobegi go. You understand? The problem where 24-bit get now Akobegi. The problem where JJ Barry get now Destiny and Esther. And what they call Iboni. JJ Barry not get any problem. You're doing you. Now so laugh if the man they laugh. 24-bit now so laugh they laugh when. Yeah, they not get problem. But their problem where they get 24-bit, your problem now Akobegi. JJ Barry, the problem where you get now, Destiny, Esther, and Ebony. You understand? Now just be the truth be say, if now carry those actors, any actor come Europe or actress or now those women when they bring consume. Now bring them come. We go to go sagade. Now just the truth be that one. Because why my monkey? Don't why my monkey I'm yelling like why man? Why are you able to appreciate what I see when do? And the news what do I tell the news of the web? And why so when I believe what? Don't what they see don't aware. I want to pardon one way. You understand? Why you see one what over hey, come and join me in any club. Come and meet me in any club. Go and subscribe. Go and buy our channel. When one aya koni buwa we bubu. Akugbe guwa. Wa si one akugbe. You understand? Akugbero wa si one akugbe. Wa kaya settle egbuwa before you put think of bringing show to Europe or UK. There you unuma na ma this gone wa. And just the way it is. Because you people cannot be coming to UK or UK or Europe, say no one can give us joy, no one can sing, no one can play. Whereas you people they use teeth, they chop on yourself for inside body. On ameku, on ayo, on ameku, on ayo, on our degbegoyiku, atwegbe, aka onegbe. We don't need such things again. Already we are 2 years jomu. Oba we na guyen dole doyi, we ya go e dole doyi e, na ye kori egbe na, eri we ya go e dole doyi a. Odion ma dion wo kan ma wo kan na, eri we ya go ba dole doyi a. Ayo yeso na mi wa na yo go na kikpa. Awa ti fun mu ganya na kete. Oya dena. We don't need such things again. We are going to peace. Now, I go to the world. I go to the world where I'm going to the world. Ekbo wa ya kungo yi. Ekbo wa ya kungo yi. You people are not even happy to really adult people. A man right do ni mami ba ekpe de high. You don't look those one. Go and see Eritio Sole. Eritio Sole or see one the art drama. Those are the people who not really promote culture. Why am I in the UK? Eritio Egomara. Why is it when you are the UK? Why don't you go for medication? Not to treat eh? No. No, we go you work. No, we go you work. No, until you want to see one cool. No, until I be big men in the UK. Ya see one cool. You have to be to near cool. I will have your UK. Why you go you cool? What you have promoted the culture? Let the culture no promote it. But why you promoted the culture now? You are making money in your pocket. You say you are promoting the culture. Are you bringing this people for free? You know, you can have the ticket in the web. You understand? You know, you can have the ticket in the web. I go to the world. Remember, I went to the world here. A lot of them are praying. What I am, I went to the world. What can do watch me? What can make peace you want me? Without that, nothing like say, when I want to show, don't be lie. I'm about with this man, I'm talking. But I'm okay. If you see a lie, or try, 119 at the saga. The Monica West Side, no. But I'm gonna. I don't have issue with you guys. You have problem to you supposed to go and settle yourself amicably before thinking of doing show in Europe. Why want peaceful? Why not join with each other? Who are selected even Wayahu? Even now, you people try to snitch in the EU artist to you people gang. To you people gang. All of a sudden, any artist no not big sada kobena. What is that? Destiny. Eyobokan. Not big sada kobene. Any artist no you get sada kobene. They don't want to do without artists. No, you get sada Destiny. I could squad no want to do without artists. You understand why I do. no ze karuwe, no zi yo baruwe, no zi gboruwe, edo wayaze. Why ya kon ye gbuwa? Why ya suegbe? Bo o edo ni okpa kan. You understand? You are block wani. You understand? Even ata ita na gero hana we manti or set in the why. You understand? Whether you be 34-bit fans, whether you be JJ Barry fans, I don't care. Una way be their fans, now be their problem. Now be the problem where they get. When I go see the truth, no not the feel the talk. When I go see the talk truth, it go the hot no body. Also when I'm man. Why ohaku wa gwa mu no hagu wa sagbada gwa wonu tema. Tame wana oze ni ado. Eke ohoni akwa ahwo wa ohagu wa gwa because wa fi wetin ya fe atia ga wo yobonu wa. O me yobonu ya hado wonu wa. Why ti tema tamaya? What you are getting it wrong. E mata no no why ti tamaya? No tema tamaya. Okay wonu wa tebona. You understand? Mare do se bono ma to no working why we na ma yat ibare do yat bono ma. You do yakam what the solution to this problem. Okon wa we saga wa de me problem. E can saga me anaso. We no the adna why they yet bono anybody. No. I don't want to insult them. You understand? They are elderly people, but they should act as elderly people by settling themselves before thinking of coming to Europe. You understand? You got affliction and we rise the second time. They should go and settle themselves indoor. While they settle, go about your video, my dad, yes, wakune, wagigui. How can you imagine? A president and the squad and the members, they suspend Ebony. Esther Yelele Boni, Esther Yelele Boni coup. Is that not a let down? They cannot respect anyone. They make a suspension to Ebony. They don't want to see anybody that do with him, do with her. But you see them parabolating together, pulling together because in your Riani, when you must say, in your Riani, where I now, and what I when you the help. Who the help? May they go sleep. Yeah, I won't want me. A can walk on your own. Then you both don't while they take them or they think you can what the wish show. Why did what the wish show? Why did what the wish show? Mago whatever my what? You understand? Someone very bonnet. Why have those small show? Why did what the wish show? Why I give a man a full talk? A dead ground. I don't why I mark it tonight. I When go on set to a buwane, while I will what the wish show. While I will book what the wish, what I settle one, while I settle one, what I wish your hand, then we'll be happy to promote people's show with our platform. We cannot be promoting hypocrisy. People will not get joy for themselves. I want to hear my cook bedding me a cook boy. Why I settle a bugwa 24-bit VJJ Barry. What to order? You people are the one bringing them. When we are calling you, when you have visa, we have visa, you have visa, you have invitation, you have in the UK. What to order? Make peace with them. If possible, take them to air. Why are settling? You people should go and settle. You people should give respect to others. You need to go now. No one are going nowhere. Why are we going to anyone like association? Why you got one? Why were we after us? But those same association make them to know you people. Well, is this thing and Ebony were the you people are. I mean, I'm not blaming Ebony. I'm not blaming Ebony because the elderly people did it too, without respecting the organization. So, or you Ebony now, you expect Ebony to also respect the organization? No. Why worry you? You understand? The solution what I'm gonna. The solution of this dispute is between JJ Barry and 24-bit. A JJ Barry, I like a business, you know, your show promoter, you are a show promoter. You understand? So a show will organize the UK, or understand it now. So if you love it, The people you are bringing that are promoting you, that are, they have problem. Settle them. Simple. And then I just go wa ununa yata, ununa ayata. I don't nak bo mo you are. Uwe matana. No, no, you te matani. So what is the big thing? Nothing you settle. Instead of wanani promoter, why you settle here? Why gotta kana you why game mo? Why kana you why game mo? Na mo mo ka phone. Ona 24 bit no wa what is say. Ona wa say why the camera in o kan atalo ya game mo. We na mo e bari mo. We mo. You understand? The both of you, 24 bit and JJ Barry, go and settle those people. Settle here before bringing them to UK. It ain't a long show, a long program. You understand? That's how you're talking rich man. 24 bit JJ Barry. Wa go along in my PCRO a show no wa. Was I didn't the PC wa show no wa here wa ranting now. Then the PC wa ko you brought the young legend in wa ko successfully. They go back. On a much started with how the dealing of your in we cool successfully. They go back, which is fair. Mangwale on my gwali been a magio nagarovi, actor and actress or rima. Am I on a live video presenter rima? My Maya promote wa. When you are coming to Europe, we will be showcasing you advert on our screen. You understand? That's what we want to be using our platform to do, to promote our culture, our tradition to the next level. Not to be using it to be bringing down our culture and our tradition. So unless you people don't want to be like that, it is not go determine whether anytime when they do show will the disgone go on. You understand? So if you don't want to be with the disgone go on, make una go settle them. As two of now you're Nigeria soon. Or I just where they don't buy now. What you have to order? Let that dispute wanna make that dispute. You understand? Make that peace call them to order, make peace call. Let us, the people, the diaspora, know that they are now happy together. They have settled their dispute. You understand? So that when next now they come Europe, we go feel they promote now. Show. Montai, any tie Ryoji. You understand? If it look like joke, it may go can be na. You understand? Social media na, ema ya tu wamu. Social media na yamu waboto. Wagwalo, go higher, and by the grace of God, Wahia must go higher in Jesus' name. Our ancestors must give people strength, strengthen you people the more to do more. Abe mamero no maere. Abe diwan ni radio kiri wa me na kini deru jovan ni this sport ni. Wa be fi na yewa, wa be bia ka be ade webo. Bring all those young actors, actresses, all those young stars, musicians. Starting no you na one river. No begging. Ma ya won o ale ma saga et mi o ya ni gbe sama yibe gbogbo. Ele ama si won rewa. Egogo no la rewa. All the wo kan anya rewa that is normal or rewa. Young stars like that. Now they have a boss solita ni Sarah, a boss solita ati kian uwelu boy no. They just name them. You understand? Onigo noa. Obi tese no yek beta boy noa. Udo boy noa. E ya boss arawani. At least we mienu we viore bu we. Edwa gbe mo me go pokpa. Wa gbe mo me go pokpa. These are people the money my dere. Now they him you promote those people. Why are you promoting people that if I can make a name in order to promote? A show one where I tell ni mego mu. Where tell ni mego mu. E mani mi go ya the ticket, why the ticket in here? You go near 50-50 no wa gbe guy. Wa gbe areje bi ka gege wa eviare. Ni ave de pa. Kwa wa say here baby. E mani kala pa ni wa kun ya lai we. You understand? So I just got Greg now. 24-bit and JJ Barry. When I go settle Akoberian, Esther, and Destiny with Ahan. While make a peace with him. Settle them amicably. Then you continue your show, will not get problem. We'll go see the prisoner. When I go break the record. Why you break a record in you? If you had the wire on ya, you understand? If you tell you, you understand because always set in the back way. If I have call equa, where one sigma. No, come with me, come with us, who I saw when I said, Nalaho. Now have a 24-bit you live by JJ Barry. Here I said to a Amaya could be comedian. You understand? Maya could be comedian. No wood comedian, you know. You understand? Can you hear comedy body be? Mama Igualoni. Understand? Comedian, Mama make another art comedy for so long now. Mama make a comedy for so long now. You understand? So when you get when you fit and get was set to the PCR or more young or more ra I could be style their father and daughter. So they should go and make peace with themselves. We style we could be no, we could be we start on. And look at like berry. You understand? I could be here to go in only room next time who. No. These are the stars we have in Benin. Let's call it spade a spade. You understand? So I make a 24-bit, make a peace with you. Settle them. JJ Barry, you put one and settle them because we are promoting you. What back and you're down here. Why are you gonna make a peace in with you? Because if I could bury your gonna can't I for peace making, you know, answer them. So JJ Barry 24-bit. Do what who are here got do ye va obuwa e do nigijina. Obuwa manu loy koji. We have 24-bit, JJ Barry 24-bit. Obuwa man loy koji. Do what him do ni who are here va wa ye va bo ma oni ma. Yes, because what we are seeing now, 24-bit and JJ Barry are the one splitting a door into two. A door in a wagaye vane. So my about dog why I go. Bin why I do a kina hen on among. And I'm here where SORO, a 24-bit of a squad, okay? J. Barry of a squad, okay? My only man dare me no soon, even though he been in an end the last. Hello? Why you they call my number? How you take get this number? What's the worry you? They follow they do that kind of rubbish. You do okay? What's they breed that rubbish? If I get that my phone. So you know voir. Understand. So you saw buy me 24-bit and JJ Barry. You should go and make that peace settlement between Akoberian and Esther and Ahan members. Because my having joy. In my day on agree. Akobe, Erimano, Esther, Ijimano, Timano. You understand? Ebony or Timano is our daughter, is our wives, our children. You understand? A Destiny, Erimano, Timano. You understand? So all are our brothers. We are all Benin, Edomaze. So we cannot be happy seeing you people fighting yourself. Seeing you people not be happy to yourself. That is what we don't need. I'm a Gwali boy. We understand? My house war, my own corners war. No, we agree. Enough of all this pretending. Where it is where we know everything on this side where. You feel me so? Why do I my own and make my mind no sunu? My dad no sunu ya my dad o wama e ya ligua 24-bit JJ Barry waru we wo han to yan. Wa rien to yan. Wa to yan peacefully, my problem. You understand? Mari atian wa. Mari a worship wa no wa yi. Mari a read wa yi. But this one, another issue na mind day. We don't need this saga. We don't need this war. You understand? So you should go and settle yourself amicably. When you settle yourself amicably, we'll be happy. You understand? 24-bit and JJ Barry. This is a message to you, the both of you. Settle this dispute between Akobe Esther, Destiny. You understand? Well, I settle my problem. If you want to bring anybody from the Edo State to UK on your show, no problem. But if you don't settle it, you cannot be bringing those people to show. And when they are not happy. You understand? Anybody know you could be Masaga Yakubi. No as they be. That's why I'm not talking about it. You understand? So that's why just be. I greet you now with love. Tomorrow Saturday by 6 o'clock. Now call your story. For Krima. With Krima. Pastor Chijoki, a pastor on the Libiakahi with Krima. Wow. Pastor George of Krima. Pastor George of Krima. Ose ya do the Krima. I don't know is live video now. When I work, you boy be done. You understand? And this when is Saturday. Kale yakwa. Imi Ose ya wadu. Okonoro wodo. The pastor la lohe. On ya the front by your boy. A Pamela, look at you where you know you by what or what will time my life do? There you know you're still that for no be a me less away. Tomorrow you come on at talk, or that for where the one and the for those in winning. Where the pastor ya lala where you see law. Why damn it ho? Here I ran away about this matter we could. The kata move one to do we go assume. You can know what we will do on the gray. If a ball like me, o no giro on no gray. If a ball like me, what are you going to be married? I'm going to they unless you do what you are Ganya, you are our not manuva. You understand? When I'm a boy, no more high you no way I go away. It because of our women, it because of our women. Or who when he make me bogbe, no Ganya or who know who are. You understand? Or who when I Ganya or who no just Susan Boda. No, ya sale kayo is Susan Boda. Ajabo. I will tell Susan Boda. Oh, young man of Webman with that man over here. If one year neck bin or Irovian, Cosina neck be. That will be about or Binica. You understand now? Who are giving a was working, imagine you. As your be me. Never tell who. I very last month, not telling who marriage. What's your word? I just bought the bear who go no one or where. But what for you was sooner? I go on as obedient. When it time when the technique woman was, when we are where while we are here. Eat you a go. Megbego ho. Met you a go the minute you a go no bad like me. When we are na de na I mean so evidence we do. You do time at Bonaga o zen wadu. Whatever we do working. Who are 2 years do Obaga talk by he said. Or to work it on uni. Erwa 2 years do who are disgracing money we do. We are no more webu. Who kin keko no ya yibu nupo. Oyedo. Then you will come out and tell me where you yoku. Who do alaja la video where you yoku. Ki make we the no joja no ku. Me no ka boku no ko kire wo ze no do. We ba wele wa yoku gbegbe aga. Oku no one way aje obu no we no bie no we kin keko wo no yibu nupo no ya ko no ye are ba wa. We so ka wa ya oga wa. Who agoni. Adebo wa so was a so avec Peter Dobi no very lewe when you are so lewe sisi ba big lewe no problem. You understand me now? Either if you mugbo lare Chijoke Pastor Chijoke e Pastor George wa pumerio if I remember we do tiari do agu wala dio akwe ya do this gwan wa ya wa ge wa ya ni recrimonial ave ni mwani ro wa he wa to wa pe Abedi wani de crema under cremona Italy. O Italy na wa ya na wa yina. O Italy under Milan. Ogo under Milan. Wa ato. Abedi wani de wa ya do ni wani de wa ni. Saroba de ba wa zebeni wa ya gwa kwa unu. Zebeni wa ya mudia we omuye wo kakere ni ya no gba ni ti azumbo yo hiro ti no kwa kwa yo he. We o ya si yo ma e kinu gba ni do ni e o ma dio wana mudia su ka kan ye matani we ni matani ma e kina gbegu e yo lawo da wa mi otuni mo amori aya ri lawa wa. You understand? Because okbiani undano e Pamela ogo we okbiano huwe no be la lugo he ana be ala lugo he. Can you imagine? Ana ala lugo he. The same okbia ose odafu we less we are. When I dig we mo ye bo mo we no. No, bobo ne pastor. A pastor you we those two wa order for. When I je we am bobo ne a pastor order for we am bobo order for imudia. Emebun ada ifie mu gbo hen. Ya mo ko he na aledi. Wa ato ni wan ri hen tasa we ri ntaya asie metan. Ala video na wa ge so be 24 bit to deliver ejeje bari. Ni ya down ho, you understand? Na we me mama ka ta ka tie otonium. Live video presenters and bloggers. But while a video na wa giaga na gia if your gian 24 bit and ejeje bari. Nya matana. You understand? When you set to Ezra Rotona before you kill we show the UK. You understand? It's just the way it is. Enough of all this. Because Ezra na kagani adi. Ezra na sunu. Nobody no go kan. Fine is good where a Monica Okbodio. Other than Monica be Esther or Taloy. A voice Esther act be what you need. You understand me now? A voice Esther be Gaya Ugaya or I am where Ofenoro wa coming or where a miruwa. A Monica redo. A word of your voice in Monica. A Monica be non legal wa. I'm not legal there. Fine. Even the other soon kagani adi. No do ya me where agbena do a king be industry. Kate nesta. Awe can have la ha wa kezo wo. Wa do ge man see problem na re kete pata the whole issue. Esther don't buy you know. Esther don't buy la industry na ligi. Esther don't buy where la okwe a voice record ya sunu industry ya zaga. Or why I live from the beginning to the end. Dete Monica Mado Bodio ni vie hando home. Na me ma ya de arte drama do home. Nia here ga lenesta. Audio ni sunu. I not get passport. On that sunu. Now, before I came here where we at here Ebony. I take again met matter na a European Ebony, Esther, Greg, Precious, and Herimaga Osula Moga Niagadi. There was a competition online which people did and people voted. The actress Abiato Nahamuri. Now, if you remember these things. But it was unfortunate. Omaro no win Nahamwadi. But Omaro no win any ogre. Mago, we don't know how everything can't happen between Bini, Mago, how they cut Mago, everything. We come from the same man. No matter winning, or with the UK. I don't know. No matter winning, a show already a show in the UK 2019. Ebony did not even win. During the show, I'm a banana away. We are here Ghana. Oh my heart. Away. Oh, you want me vote in yourself? I vote online. Let's either on banana or on my heart. You may vote in again. But none of them come. We come surprise say Ebony show, Greg show, Precious Ian show. If you ever the UK, audio ne Monica be or man get anybody on there go there the UK. 24-bit no amigo show ni that show. Esther they make easy for make ya wo. Yen they make ya audio with you. E man ya do gien be show e here na very audio ya audio. It's scatter that party for Esther. Dr. Now, if you can't so what after the show, we are in Nigeria, a Greg will be a precious. You may have to destiny, but destiny best self. Those children were not angry. Nobody know you, no soon. They tell you gonna video, a magiri anyhow. Nobody know you, no soon. A destiny, a Greg will be a precious. You may have to destiny. If one destiny will bury that, a Greg will be precious. You they don't attend the party because why? Quarrel don't they grand. Why Adam and how you do? Quarrel it don't evolve. Everybody could do this one they go. This one carry head go this side. This one carry head go this side. For instance, one industry where all of us dey. Eye na ligi. Akbodio e Monica Noga. Amodio ge Monica Nogbe was. Anya word a destiny. Anya Esther, a destiny. He is the man. He owns these two women. Why did Edward bring out this issue? Because destiny almost is actually clear UK. Iyo warowa. Am I UK? Problem boxed. Out of what? Jealousy. You understand? But any berare. If you do, during those period, a lot of people were accused of a bad audio. A lot of people were accused. What I could module, I couldn't module. A Monica can do confess we go no module or where destiny ligine. Eha ligine. Audio the ligeha. That's not the truth. Because a people be audio ni. The Monica Queen, audio ni muy heavy. A lot of things was too dig back me. You understand? Now, audio is not legal there. To the extent that nobody want to even hear from the Esther. Agbohela egale Esther. Emani bune egale ne destiny Esther. Ah, you didn't know. You understand? A lot of people was running head doing away with this woman. But my people, my question still remains the same. We cannot continue keeping malice to ourselves all this while for so long because of social media people. You understand? And what about when I think fine is good? Well, I don't know about it. Oh, no, we are the UK. Do I get back you go? And at the end, you're gonna destiny money in what? You understand? Because in the bosses of the Nigono, I'm talking from my own experience. You understand? Maybe even a Greg you read by precious you guys expect to be destiny. A destiny must submit because a show ni anyoni make. That's the truth. A show ni make. Now, in a show. The humiliation, disgrace, UK. Coming back home, nothing to compensate there. Maybe now, maybe those usually bought their ticket by yourself, or they did not buy their ticket, or that's not the real. But it did not compensate those children. Those children got angry. He get to destiny, he get to Esther. It doesn't even go how many more in the UK. How many to here? Okay. Destiny after we draw back. Anybody know you pay loyalty to destiny? And destiny heavy amuriku. Why I'll say a big game in your play. And they look then. We see what it is all. Or when I pay loyalty to destiny, and destiny with your bossilo. Not the aspect of okay, destiny at the moment. Because of it, not soon 2019. Destiny now will draw back. Destiny is not bringing people that will favor him. Not the people that he will bring. Even the you say, people. You understand? Now, the Eham members, they are not running from Esther and Destiny because you feel where Ebo Esther Yakia. Odoga Baron Esther Mae. So I can act like so what we are so let's do away with this woman. Calamity now starts. Problem upon problem. How are you now? Now you where a drama on your way at with that do. I'll marry here drama. I'll marry there. Ignea Agbina. Ezo. It don't know. It don't know. It don't know. Nonsense. It don't know. Nonsense. And young Ebony Yana. Nothing we go. Oviere amaka de waro de boro de boro oviere ko gbela ikine kino furi egbere wo, which is Augusta Destiny, because yen ti fun ne wiyo ebuli 1 billion toga billion so to oviere ko ya gbera ki Augusta na ko ya follow up because why a Destiny osa gbono my boni. You understand me now? A Destiny you osa gbono my boni eboni atejama wo asaba de na obe Destiny lare. You understand? That's the reason why you see everybody now stick with Destiny and Esther. It doesn't care about the Aham people. So we cannot continue like this. If you do, my idea of Vietnam because of Vietnam here too much. I will not buy it. Cannot be a season. Every year, no matter where you. Ehi aye bogwa legbe yan yan aye bodan legbe yan re. All the demons say I want to be on top, na me want the top, na me want the rain. Bo e do ni oba ye ni, bo e do ni oba mi no gba de mani ya wa do re na yan ni wa gbin legbe yan na de wa yan na yan do affect na e jeje ba re me do by 24 bits. No, okay, grand promotive here devant my do culture. If Igbo, here we don't so now. Here if Yoruba, here we don't so now. Me control the page of Yoruba. I see what they are doing. You understand? Ori mama lo han. Itegbe mu. Ona wa di boto na wa temi. Ona wa di boto na wa ri mu yo imutan yo. Ona hiare to di mutan yo. Iya pe won gbogbo da imutan. Not bad. For how long? Now yeah, we now here. This issue now is 3 years. Ezo na ye mu ye ko for 3 years. Omo ye ne. Omo 3 years ikinya ne. Omo 3 years so agwana. Ezo na wa ira Greek back for 3 years. Okwoba okweyi. Mwezo ye ko for 3 years. Not bad. It does not tell good of you people. It does not show that you are a celebrity. You are. Why celebrity? It's accessibility. Oh, I will not cordial at all. For you as a celebrity to be still having such a grudges in your mind for past 3 years does not call for. Not make sense. 24 bit and JJ Barry. Why I said to him? Obuwa male matana koyi na ya mi ewezo na omafo because you people are benefiting from it. Because though I benefit from it, you people could have called this people to order. 24 bit JJ Barry. Where at Yakobe, JJ Barry, you can call him Mr. Kobe. A Pakobe is your senior brother. Power talk me. We are promoting you people. Oh yes. This issue, we don't like it anymore. It's affecting our business. Call him to order. Sit him down. Talk sense to his brain. Abu waye me. Oh, I promote my boy. Why go to winning my one? I don't want to go on that go one. Oh, but go bother that do I? 24 bit I could be feed you. JJ Body I could be feed you. He said you are promoting him as a Benin man. So you should listen to you people. The people of the money are going to carry do. I'm already going to work. The people will bring it to you to UK to come and be singing for us. Who cares about the song? If he's not loyal, if he doesn't respect his people, we don't care about the song anymore. We want his loyalty. A leader that does not respect his subject is not a leader. Do you understand? Yes. A musician man, all I'm gonna make better talk. Man, dane as our superstar. The same thing goes to the woman. I asked when you start asking destiny because of that friend, a boyfriend, You understand? You said call these two people or three of them, call them to order. No, stop. My God, drop it down. Esther, Jigwe, how you are sorry. Epa, you both will come when you are sorry. Yes, Epa, you offend Esther. You may offend Esther. Esther cannot be humiliating Epa without Epa did not step on Esther's toes. Esther is not a baby. They have something to say. They have something to say. Esther will tell you what Akobe has done to him physically. Akobe will also say what Esther has done to him or Destiny has done to him. That is making him get angry. They have something to say. So sit them together. Let them split out. Then iron this issue once and for all. Let peace reign. Let them embrace themselves. You understand? Let me remove it for here. You were too old for this problem. Where you did? Now they enjoy problem. They clap hand for problem. When problem is solved. You're too old for all this problem. And you did not even talk about the problem. You are happy that they are quarreling. And you are an old man that's sitting down there. Understand? People, this year we're no fine. I'm not talking about sleeping with anybody or not sleeping with anybody. That's their own business. You understand? My own issue here is that JJ Barry 24 should settle these people. That's all. I don't care whoever they sleep with or don't sleep with anybody. Then their body they get anybody. And guy, if you do you get your own chance, chop your own meal once. And so you all be. You understand? So, but the truth be that one. A matter now, obey 24 bit JJ Barry. Emma Loy Koyi. Ezon Warotuna. Ezon only day between Akobe, a Destiny Star, or go 24 bit JJ Barry. They should solve this problem. They make sure when you take peaceful. Very when you like UK. When you like UK, you should not organize any show. If they're organizing show, this their problem should be solved. Their problem should be solved. Very and we are challenging. We'll do this go now. I'm not be lie. But what solve problem you need amicably? The PC war to show me the year now. Very this year, I don't talk from New Year Day. You know go better with many people. You understand? Now so just be a great solo for better start why you to wa musa nu wa. Robo ade ba waya. Ala wada wa ami. Robo no ko ezo de mama imi ezo. You understand? Robo no magi mai gu ezo. Na wa ezo be. Waya efe waya to wa musi. You understand? A great solo for better start. And bye for now.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully